So, let me tell you the story. I visited the Memorial Bridge over Hoover Dam. And of course, I snapped a couple of pictures. Well, maybe multiple pictures. But I was stopped in my tracks by this description. So simple, 5 steps to achieve an unbelievable feat of engineering to build such a life-giving structure, which still stands today after many years of maintenance to ensure its reliability. It was built with 5 simple goals to reach that end result, which was to enjoy the ride. When I saw the plaque on the bridge and I looked at the explanation and the step-by-step process to obtain this monument of success, a light bulb went off in my head. I literally got chills. And the level of excitement that brings the passion for this program to you today. I have never seen anything so simple, so true, so enlightening that covers all the steps, step by step, to achieve your final outcome. And whether it's building a bridge or building a company and its leaders, each step is essential to its success. I will provide this step-by-step journey to you, building your bridge to the final outcome of unimaginable strength in your leadership capabilities. Warning: do not skip any of the steps given to you, or you will experience such a large gap in your bridge that success will not come easily. I place your leadership skills in your hands. It's up to you to use them. Your leadership program is structured the same way as the Memorial Bridge was constructed. Follow this step-by-step process and you will succeed.